Black Friday is almost here, and if you're like me, your cart's already full of detailing gear that you probably don't need, but definitely want. Hello everyone! Now is one of the best times of year to upgrade your setup, restock on essentials, and grab those tools you've been holding off on. So in today's video, I'm sharing my favorite Black Friday detailing deals and some smart upgrades that'll make your detailing life a whole lot easier. Before I forget, if you find any part of this video entertaining or useful, maybe hit the thumbs up, maybe subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now, let's jump right in. Although detailing can slow down in the winter months, there's still plenty of ways to work around the climate, and if nothing else, make sure you're as ready as you can be when things pick back up. And like every year, a bunch of great brands are going all out for the event. DIY Detail, as you know I'm pretty fond of, typically runs 25% off store-wide, with free shipping and other special offers from November 1st through December 2nd. If you so happen to maybe get something through them, there could be a link in the description that you could use. Just, pure speculation, if you happen to go there and you need a code to use, there is one that is Dylan 10, I'm sure, for a guy named Dylan who's into detailing and would probably help him buy something like a Reese cup, like a delicious mouthwatering Reese cup. So if you happen to be there, you could use code Dylan10. The House of Rags and similar sites also have deals going all month long. So if you need to stock up on some quality products, now's the time. We can't forget about big box spots like Home Depot or Lowe's though, as they're amazing for those overlooked detailing tools like ladders, shop vacs, and lights, which are all worth looking into. I truly can't stress enough the importance of some of these items and how they can affect your process overall. If you've been putting off getting a proper step ladder, for example, trust me, grab one this month. I prefer the longer ones that let you move side to side easily while washing a roof, or even sit on while polishing. They double as a little workstation too, something you don't realize how nice it is to have until you use it. I bought mine this time last year for around 30 to 40 bucks, and it's just been one of my favorite additions yet. Links to everything I talk about will also be in the description below if you're interested. Speaking from my experience last year, upgrading your vacuum is another solid move for Black Friday. Whether you're a mobile detailer or working out of garage, you can't go wrong here. If you've got space, a big shop vac is pretty hard to beat. They usually go on sale and are super reliable. If you're mobile, maybe grab a smaller, portable one like a Rigid, which tends to be most detailers' go-to. Heck, maybe even pick up a second unit of your choice to use for wet/dry setups. Some people even convert them into Extractors, which is a great budget-friendly option and fun winter project. Now really is the best time to catch up on old/mundane tasks to set yourself up for success when things warm back up. Pressure washers are another big one, even if you don't end up using it right away this time of year. If you don't already have one, or if yours has seen better days, now's the perfect time to upgrade or have a spare before it dies on you mid-job. Black Friday deals on Ryobi, Greenworks, and Sunjoe are usually pretty solid and more budget-friendly. While you're at it, grab a few extra quick connects, swivels, and such or shut-off valves. They're small investments that make a huge difference in daily use, and having backups will save you big time when something inevitably breaks. These next items might sound simple, but that's why they're important to keep note of. Gloves and batteries alike are things you can never really have too many of in the detailing space. It's great to have however much you want or need stocked up and ready. Not only for convenience, but peace of mind, so your brain can fully focus on the job at hand when the time comes. My advice would be to stick to one battery ecosystem if you can. That way you can swap packs between tools easily. It's small, but the time you can save with a plug-and-play setup like that can make all the difference. Similarly, with the days getting shorter, multiple lights are everything. Headlamps, tripod lights, all the tools to help you see swirls, shadows, and missed spots. The deals around this time of year can save you a good bit, and you'll thank yourself when you're scrambling to finish a job after sunset. One of the worst feelings in the world while detailing is feeling rushed. So, obviously there's lots of tools to choose from. But if you are determined to continue on even with snow on the ground, it's worth grabbing some kind of steamer. If used properly, they can be incredible during the colder months. Not only are they capable of deep cleaning in a wide range of applications, but they literally keep you warm while you work. And no job at all is getting done if you're frozen. But enough with tools, Black Friday is also perfect for snagging chemicals. Arguably most important, paint protection. Waxes, sealants, ceramic coatings, glass coatings, you name it. Winter is rough in a lot of places, so any kind of barrier on your car can make a massive difference. Nowadays, spray coatings are even acceptable, so if you aren't ready for a full-on coating, grab something like DIY's Quick Beads or their new Envy product, which I'm envious I haven't had the chance to try out yet because it's green and looks amazing, but these are great to apply in a pinch. At the very least, I recommend a glass coating of sorts to help with visibility during this time to keep everyone safer. This next topic is optional, but it's a nice way to stand out. Consider grabbing things like air fresheners, disposable floor mats, maybe even a small bag of mints for your customers. They're small details, but they go a long way in showing that you care and motivate the customers to come back. On the opposite end, if you're new to detailing, starter kits are awesome this time of year too. Yeah, some may not be the top of the line products, but they'll help you or someone you know who has a passion for vehicles overall get a feel for different products and see what fits your workflow. For my mobile detailer specifically, or anyone looking to go mobile soon, keep an eye out for generator or power bank deals. They can be expensive. Like, I'll probably have to sell a kidney for one. So this time may be your best chance to save big. Polishers are another pretty big purchase detailers splurge on and aren't easily replaceable on the job. So if it's in your budget, I definitely consider having an upgrade in mind, even if your current one is working fine. That way, it can stay as a fallback, or it can be used by a partner if needed. Right now might just be your time to get one of those fancy new battery-powered ones. Maybe send one my way too, if you're feeling generous. And finally, don't forget those small but useful things. Speakers, earbuds, sunscreen, or even a good foam snow brush for winter are all easily overlooked but stand out when you need them. A foam snow brush in particular can be a super handy tool to have for brushing snow off your vehicle, without being too harsh and scratching up your paint. These are just the kind of purchases we tend to push aside, but if they're already discounted, it's worth knocking them off the list. As I'm sure many of you guys know, SEMA just wrapped up, and if you're like me, your wallet's probably begging for mercy from the excitement you get after seeing all the new stuff coming out. So this Black Friday is the perfect time to grab what you actually need, like a few smart upgrades, and set yourself up for the new year. Or in real terms, free up what you can now so you can be ready for all the new toys. If I didn't mention something specific, I probably covered it in one of my interior or exterior essentials videos, so check those out next if you're interested, and let me know in the comments what you need the most in your detailing life right now. I'd love to hear what stage of your journey you're in. Also, for those who don't know, I just had my second boy recently, so uploads have been a little all over the place. I'm working on a new schedule to get regular videos rolling again, and I've got a bunch of fun topics planned, so thank you for sticking around. If you found any part of this video entertaining or useful, maybe hit the thumbs up, maybe subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and That's it. See ya. So, obviously, there's lots of tools to choose from. But if you are determined to continue